welcome to another episode of the Classic Mini Hub. Today I'm sitting in my car because we need to work on the rear lights. There's a problem with the wiring. Sometimes the wires get disconnected using bullet connectors. They're a bit rubbish, so I'm going to replace them with more permanent fixture. I apologise for the noise you might hear in the background. It appears someone over the road has a very noisy machine and keeps turning it on and off. But never mind, let's get on with the job. Right, as you can see, these bullet connectors are completely useless because they always just come undone, and I'm having problems with my rear lights not working. That's not very helpful, especially at night. So I'm going to replace those bullet connectors with these. Now, it's best to do one at a time, otherwise if you cut them all you might not know where they're going. And that won't be very helpful for when you put your lights on, because you might have all the wrong lights coming on. So it's quite a simple job today, but it's a job that needs doing. So just put the end in there and then crimp it down. Well, I don't know where the end of that went. Probably under the fuel tank, so that will probably remain there for a while now. One day I'll find it. Might even do a video on finding it. I'm not sure that'll be very exciting. Someone might find it exciting. Unfortunately, my camera turned off, so apologies for missing out on a couple of the wires. I'm sure you're devastated, but I will resume. So this one has 3. I'm hoping it will fit. We might have a bigger connector somewhere. Yes, I have a slightly bigger one. It does sometimes help having a bigger one, especially when you're trying to shove 3 in the same hole. Let's see if the lights work. Yep, indicators are working. Rear lights are working. And the brakes light work. So that job is now complete. Apart from the other side, but I won't bother filming that because this is exactly the same as this side. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.